next question reads, who is the father of the periodic table? Looking at these options, what do you think the answer will be? Now, in 1869, a Russian chemist known as Dmitry Mendeleev developed the periodic table. Now, our answer will be Dmitry Mendeleev, as he was the one that developed the periodic table. The second question now reads, the elements in the present periodic table are arranged according to their, what do you think our answer will be? Now, the elements in the periodic table are arranged according to the atomic number. An atomic number here is denoted as Z. Looking at the question, the correct option is option C, atomic number. We now move to answer the next question. In an atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of... Now, you can pause the video to look at the options. Now, the number of protons, atomic number, in an atom is equal to the number of electrons. Looking at the option is option B, electrons. Number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. The next question reads, the atomic number of an element provides you with... What do you think the answer will be from the options? Now, the atomic number denoted as Z represents the number of protons and electrons. So let's pick our answer. So the answer here is both B and C. You can pause the video to confirm this answer. Now let's answer this question. The majority of the elements in the periodic table are... You can pause the video to look at the options again. Now, what do you think is the answer to this question? Now, the answer to this question is D, metals. Let's take a quick break, and when we are back, we'll see more questions. Welcome back. This question reads, a substance is tested and is found to have the following physical properties: high electrical conductivity, malleability, high luster. The substance is most likely to be... A substance that possesses all these characteristics is called a metal. Now let's go back to our question. Looking at the option A, metal is the correct option, as a metal possesses all these characteristics. Now let's tackle this question. What is the capacity of the first electron shell? The capacity of the first electron shell can be calculated using the formula 2n squared, where n is the number of shells. For the first electron shell, our n is going to be 1. Substitute these into the formula. We are going to have 2 into 1 squared, and our answer, that is the final answer, will give us 2, making option D to be the correct answer. You can pause the video to confirm this. Now this question reads, find ion on the periodic table. The Fe represents the... Now Fe represents the element's symbol. That's the symbol for ion is Fe. Now we go back to the option. Now option A, element symbol, is the correct answer. We now move to answer the next question. The alkali metals family has dash valence electrons. Now the alkali metals or group 1 elements has a valence electron of 1. Please take note of this. Now going back to the question, which option is 1? Now option A is 1, making A to be the correct answer. Now let's answer this question. Which element is classified as a metalloid? What is a metalloid? Now moving to define a metalloid. A metalloid is an element that is intermediate in properties between that of a metal and non-metal. You can pause the video to look at the definition again. So looking from our options given, silicon is a metalloid. Silicon is a metalloid. Now making option C to be the answer. We now take a break. Okay, welcome back. This question reads, what is the group name of helium? Now, option A, alkaline metals, B, halogen, C, alkaline earth metals, D, noble gas. Now, to answer this question, helium belongs to group 2, and group 2 element is known as alkaline earth metals. Now, let's go back to the options we were given. Option C, alkaline earth metals, is the correct answer. Now we move to answer the next question. Elements in the same group have, what do you think elements in the same group will have? Now to answer this question, elements in the same group have the same number of valence electrons, making the correct answer to be C. Thank you.
I'm falling, tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.